Previously on 21RC.
Yeah, overall, quality is quite good. I'm really pleased. It does look very, very good, doesn't it? The old full link kit on there. Looks very... Hey YouTube land, welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. Right, so quick Clod update. As we can see here, I have a new set of shocks on the vehicle. Contrary to the factory blue ones, there are some red aluminium ones on there, as you can see. Now these are from Amazon. They were like 20 quid for a set of 4. I don't remember the name or manufacturer of them. This was some time ago, probably like a couple of years ago now, so it's a bit of a revisiting of the Clod. Now they, yeah, like I say, they were a standard length. I measured the Clod ones, and these are the same length as those. Like I said, 20 quid for all 4. So far, so good. And as you can see here, I also have a link kit for the steering as well. Now this was knocked up by myself out of some M3 studding off of eBay and some 6mm aluminium hollow tube also off of eBay. Simple job you can do yourself. As you can see, it does the job. As it turns out, the screw had come out of the top of this rear shock absorber. So I don't know how long that had been out, but obviously I've been driving around like it for a little while. I don't know if it had fallen out while it was falling off the tree or what. But anyway, it still allows me to drive the thing around, as we can see here.